uh, all the roles that you play are called persona or personas. All the roles in your life. You are a girlfriend. You are a teacher. You are a daughter. I don't know, you are a manager. You are owner of restaurants. We all have many roles. I'm father, I'm teacher, I'm son. And all these roles I have are what you call persona. Persona means that was the mask that how they are called, actors put on their faces so they can play a different role. So this is persona. It's not a problem, we need them because you have your whole area of your life, and we live in a society and we have a specific roles, and to be able to live with other people, we need to decrease that part we call dark shadow. That's my negative tendencies, my anger, my aggressivity, my different fears, all the bad stuff that society doesn't want to see. That's why we have laws and we have rules, and so some bad stuff that's part of everyone is forbidden in society. And this is what you hide in your unconscious. That's why it's called shadow. More average you are becoming, probably you will be more successful in the society. Because otherwise you look a little bit strange behaving, and you wouldn't be accepted in society. The problem is that with this bad stuff that you hide also your so-called golden shadow. And that's your purpose, that's your gifts, that's what makes you unique, because you can't live a unique life, because you need to live in an average society as an average person. If you are not aware of your shadow, of your bad stuff, because all of that we have, every one of us, the bad and good is in our hearts. It's not somewhere else, somewhere outside of us, that there are bad people, I am good. No, everything is in me. I can be aggressive, I can be nervous and yelling on my kids. But if I know about it, that this is my part, I can start revealing this hidden golden path, part of my life, of my personality, and find again, what's my purpose? What is the unique gift that I can share with the world? So this is one of the most important concepts in psychology that Jung worked with. This is the first part of the work that you start if you go to psychotherapy, if you go to some kind of counseling. The people will start asking you the questions about your shadow, what you can't see. You can imagine it that you walk toward the sun or light, and behind you there is a long shadow. You can't see it, but anyone who goes behind you can see your shadow. So other people around you will see your bad tendencies, bad behavior, bad stuff, because when you lose control, you will project it to other people and to the world. If you lose control and your ego, your personality will lose the grip, these complexes and negative tendencies will jump out of the shadow and will attack another person. That's dangerous, because if you think that you are only a good girl, good boy, I would never do anyone anything. When the situation comes and you lose control, all that anger or that bad tendencies will jump and attack. So this is very important. If you ever been to any counseling or psychotherapy, psycho-counseling, you were probably working on that. It's also connected to our hidden stuff like trauma. Everyone has something, every people, every Every man, every girl have some stories from the childhood. There is, I don't know anyone that would be completely like perfect, happy, and nothing bad happened to them. Even though it can be just a perception, some people, even the small stuff like parents were angry on them once, and now they are not able to reconnect with anyone, and they can't get married because they are afraid of men. And but everyone has some story. Everyone has a problem that need to integrate in their personality. Otherwise, we are very, very limited in this golden shadow. How we can live fully.